If you messed up a project, don't throw it away. You can untie all of the knots, and I'm going to show you some quick ways to do that without spending hours doing so. Hey everyone, it's Nicole here and welcome to BOCHIKNOT Macrame. In this video, I'm going to be giving you some quick tips on how to untie knots quicker so that you don't have to be sitting there for hours untying them one knot at a time. I've definitely been there before. I've sat down for hours untying them one knot at a time. But ever since I've learned some quick ways on how to untie them faster, it's become more of a breeze, and I'm here to show you those tips so that you too can untie them faster so that you don't have to throw away an entire project just because you don't want to sit there and untie all the knots. And without further ado, let's jump right in. So here is a small knotted pattern with a mix of double half-inch knots. You can see some square knots there and then more double half-inch knots. I'm going to go over 2 tips on how to undo your knots if you need to start over with your project. Hopefully that's not the case and you just have to untie partway through and go from there. But I've had to untie an entire project when I'm more than halfway through just because I don't want to have that cord go to waste. And if that's the case for you, here are some tricks to help you do that more efficiently and effectively. So instead of untying them one knot at a time with your hands and fingers, for double half-inch knots specifically, if you have rows of double half-inch knots like this, you can actually pull out the anchor cord to untie the entire row at a time. So something like this here, you can see that there's, with the number of cords here, there's 4 double half-inch knots here. So if you untie them one at a time, it would take quite a while. What I would do here is pull on the anchor cord here, bring it out so you can untie all 4 all at once. Now you can see here that the knots are pretty tight. I like to have nice tight knots for them to look straighter, cleaner, and if in this case you aren't able to easily grab the anchor cord, use a crochet hook and we're going to loosen it up. So once you have a loop like that, what you do is you shift on a few knots at a time. You can't really, especially if the row of knots is really long, you can't just pull it out all at once. Start by shifting, loosening up the knots here. So shift the knots down, it creates some space, and then it gives it more room up at the top. And then once you have that, you're able to pull it out all at once. So the key here is to have big enough loop there for you to grab, hold onto to pull it out. And so that first tip was in regards to untying double half-inch knots specifically. So if you have rows and rows of double half-inch knots, pull out the anchor cord. And the second part of that tip is to use a crochet hook to loosen up the anchor cord at first to make it easier to undo. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So just loosen it up so we can get at least a hold of the anchor cord. So you can see that there is, then just shift the cords down, or shift the knots down, I mean. Make a bigger loop and then pull on the anchor cord. Doing it this way is way easier on your hands, so you don't have to untie them one at a time. Now for square knots, this is where we need our handy dandy crochet hook. You can use your hands, your fingers, and your nails to untie each knot, but I've broken so many nails while doing this, and it really is hard on your fingers and hands when you're untying them one by one. And it's also slower, I find, too, especially if you have nice tight knots. So using a crochet hook, you can do this fairly quick. Just pull on the center of the square knot like that, and then the square knot is untied already. And so here you go, get it through the first part, pull it, and then pull it again, pull it, and we've untied the square knots right there. So same thing with double half-inch knots. Now here, you can't easily just pull the anchor cords through. These are overlapping double half-inch knots, which means there's 2 anchor cords within these double half-inch knots. So using the crochet hook, find out where the first double half-inch knot is, loosen it up, and then the second one should come easier. So on this side, same thing, loosen it up. If you, the first one you usually can't pull all the way, and then the second one you can. And then you have your row here that you can either pull on the anchor cord if you could easily get it on the side, which you can shift, or you can just untie them one by one. It's up to you. I was able to shift the knots, so got a hold of the anchor cord, and voila! Hopefully those quick tips were helpful. I know that you still have to spend some time untying the entire project if that's what you need to do, but using these tips should shorten your untying process by half the time it takes to untie them one knot at a time. If you guys have other quick ways to untie certain knots, I want to hear them. Let me know in the comment section below. And if you like quick tip videos like this, also let me know in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to do more of these. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.